We have science experiment. Make an egg float in salt water. An egg sinks to the bottom if you drop it into a glass of ordinary drinking water. But what happens if you add salt? The results are very interesting and can teach you some fun facts about density. What you will need: 1 egg, water, salt, a tall drinking glass. Instructions: pour water into the glass until it is about half full. Stir in lots of salt, about 6 tablespoons. Carefully pour in plain water until the glass is nearly full. Be careful to not disturb or mix the salty water with the plain water. Gently lower the egg into the water and watch what happens. What is happening? Salt water is denser than ordinary tap water. The denser the liquid, the easier it is for an object to float in it. When you lower the egg into the liquid, it drops through the normal tap water until it reaches the salty water. At this point, the water is dense enough for the egg to float. If you were careful when you added the tap water to the salt water, they will not have mixed, enabling the egg to amazingly float in the middle of the glass. So this is what density means. The more the density, you can also say that honey and water have a density comparison. The density of the water is so low, the density of the honey is so high. Means if you put some object in it, it will remain on the top, will not give, and until it reaches to the end. So this was a make an float in salt water. So gonna see you in the next video with another experiment. Until then, goodbye for now.